Closed source, here's what's up. The definition of closed source is a code base not available for the public for general use.
What the hell is that?
What this means is that the code that is used to create the program you're using or the website that you're at is not available for the public to access and alter or improve upon. This is actually the opposite mentality of blockchains, which are built on open source code bases. Check out our video on open source to learn more. Closed source code bases definitely have their disadvantages, but you may be surprised that there are some advantages as well. In closed source systems like Windows, the copyright holder has control over how and when they want the system to evolve. It also allows the holder to hide how they wrote the code or how their algorithms work. That type of intellectual property can make or break some business models. For companies like Microsoft, the closed source approach gives them total ownership. And while the system has worked great for a long time, some companies have started moving towards open source systems. Even Microsoft, the closed source king, released an open source PHP parser. You know those, right?
Sounds good, yeah.
Now, there are also disadvantages to closed source. Fewer people having access to the code could leave the code open to security vulnerabilities. But an even bigger disadvantage of fewer people having access to the code is that there will be fewer people in charge of improving that system, which can limit the talent pool for new ideas or directions. While closed source systems seem to be easier for the general public to use, I personally still prefer my open and free source code. Just don't ask me to help write any of it. Closed source, that's what's up. You're watching MarketSquare, the new homepage for the decentralized web. Follow us and subscribe, join our Discord, and get your free account at marketsquare.io. See you next time.